Acne, acne, acne. I've been through it and I've defeated it. Never again. This video is for my oily skin girly. I found the perfect routine for you. Like, it's worked wonders on me and I believe it will do the same for you. Do you have an oily skin and you keep breaking out? Do you always get reoccurring acne? Don't worry, I have the perfect routine for you. And because I am a nice person, I'll also share some tips that helped me get a clear and glowing skin. Trust me, if you implement everything I'll be telling you in this video, you're going to get guaranteed results in 6 weeks. Like, I am not even joking. So I urge you to watch this video till the end. But before we dive right into it, if you're new here, hi, my name is Blossom Chinwe, and in here I do everything skincare, hair care, and beauty in general. Trust me, you're going to love it here. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Like this video, please. Share and drop your thoughts in the comment section. And without further ado, let us jump right into it. If you have an oily skin, there is a high possibility that you're also going to be acne prone. And if your skin produces excess oil just like mine, I'm not even kidding, my skin produces so much oil that can moisturize a whole desert. This excess oil can go into your pores and clog them, creating an environment for acne to form. But with the right routine, you can minimize oil production on your skin and unclog your pores. Ta-da! This is the key. This works like magic. In order to achieve that, there are 2 ingredients you need in your skincare routine: salicylic acid and niacinamide. Like, if you have an oily skin and you don't incorporate these 2 ingredients in your routine, you are likely not going to see results. Now, let me show you how I incorporate these 2 ingredients in my skincare routine. Step 1, cleanse. Cleanse using a mild, gentle cleanser that will cleanse your skin very well without drying it out. I'm currently using the Face Fact Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser. Now, you mustn't use this exact cleanser. Here are other good options on the screen. I know, you're welcome. I cleanse my skin twice, 30 seconds each. You can cleanse once for 60 seconds. It's your preference, but ensure you are cleansing for at least 60 seconds. If you have an oily skin, you need to make sure your pores are clean and ready to absorb the other products in your skincare routine. You could be breaking out if you aren't cleansing properly. Excess oil, dirt, makeup, sunscreen, etc. can accumulate on the surface and eventually clog your pores, leading to acne. So make sure you are cleansing properly. You are using a mild, gentle cleanser. If you use any cleanser that dries out your skin or makes it feel tight, that cleanser isn't suitable for you. The aim here is to cleanse without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Now that I'm done cleansing, I'm just going to rinse and dry out my face using a clean towel. Now, this towel is strictly for my face. You could just let your face air dry. I think that's the best, because sometimes your towels can contain bacteria, germs, dirt that can eventually clog your pores. Like, you just be going around circles. Are you seeing what I'm doing? This is for people that have accused me of using filter. Like, filter wear. Haha. Now, the next product is this Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser. This contains 2% salicylic acid, and this is highly effective in drying out your acne. Salicylic acid is oil soluble, which means it dissolves oil. It penetrates deep into your pores and dissolves the excess oil, thereby unclogging them. This prevents you from breaking out. It also exfoliates your skin by slugging off the dead skin cells. It prevents acne-causing bacteria from thriving. It keeps your pores clean and clear and helps to control breakouts. So you see, there are lots of reasons why you need to incorporate salicylic acid in your routine. Salicylic acid is one of the active ingredients that helps to fight acne. I wouldn't recommend this exact product for people with dry or sensitive skin. This Clean and Clear cleanser is an alcohol-based cleanser. Products that contain alcohol can be very drying on your skin, and they can also be harsh, especially if you have a sensitive skin. This exact product is best used by people with oily skin, because if you have a dry skin, this will further dry out your skin. Even as an oily skin girl, I still feel some tightness whenever I use this cleanser. That's why I like to follow up with a hydrating toner to hydrate my skin and balance my skin's pH. So this is the Aqua Licorice pH Balancing Cleansing Toner. This toner contains licorice extract as the main ingredient. It is a brightening toner and it is super hydrating. This toner is 100 out of 10. Because I want my skin very hydrated, I'm going to add a second layer of toner. I'm going to let that air dry before going into the next step, which brings me to the next active ingredient that targets my skin concern. I'm talking about the bad boy here, niacinamide. This is the Tiam Vita B3 sauce. It contains 10% niacinamide and 2% alpha arbutin. Niacinamide works by regulating oil production. The skin doesn't produce as much oil as it used used to since I started incorporating niacinamide in my routine. It has soothing and calming properties that helps to reduce inflammation and irritation. It also strengthens the skin barrier. It improves your skin texture, fades dark spots and scars. It also hydrates the skin, and it works well with other acne treatments, making it an ideal ingredient for all skin types. This particular niacinamide serum contains 2% alpha arbutin, which is a tyrosine inhibitor that helps to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. But this alone will not be enough to fade your dark spots, except you're ready to wait for a really long time. But our focus is not on the dark spots, it's on the acne. So if you're dealing with acne and dark spots, focus on treating and clearing your acne first before going over to fade your dark spots. So if you want a detailed video on how I was able to clear my dark spots and get an even complexion like this, please let me know in the comment section. The next step is to moisturize. I'm using the CosRx all-in-one cream. This cream is very hydrating. It's suitable for people with dry skin. I have oily skin and I still use it anyway, and it just basically helps to moisturize and hydrate my skin, nothing much. After that, I'm just going to go in with my sunscreen. Now, sunscreen is non-negotiable. It is super important. In fact, it is a necessity. It helps to prevent your skin from the harmful UV rays that can actually worsen your acne, worsen the irritation, redness and inflammation. And if you're using acne treatments such as salicylic acid, retinoids or benzoyl peroxide, you need to make sure that you are using a sunscreen during the day. Use a lightweight and a non-comedogenic sunscreen that will protect your skin without clogging your pores. This is the Skin Aqua sunscreen, and it is perfect. It is a broad spectrum sunscreen that protects my skin from both the UVA rays and the UVB rays. Here are some other tips that will help you with your acne. 1. Avoid picking your pimples. Pimples picking can worsen the inflammation, spread bacteria and cause scarring, which will take longer for your acne to heal. So stop touching your face. 2. Avoid using heavy skincare products. If you have an oily skin, always go for lightweight products. 3. Eat healthy and avoid junk food. 4. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. 5. Change your pillowcases and towels frequently. 6. Always shower after sweating. 7. Get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day. Sleep is really important because your skin repairs itself while you are asleep. 8. Manage stress. Stress increases cortisol, which can trigger excessive oil production and increase acne. And last but not the least, if you're still breaking out despite making these lifestyle changes and following the right routine, please ensure to visit your dermatologist. So guys, do you know what would be wrong if after watching this video, after getting knowledge, after getting value, you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel? That would be so wrong. So please, I beg you, hit the subscribe button, like this video so that this video would reach the right audience. Get this video to your family and friends, and know that there's someone that you know that needs this video. Share it to that person. Just support me in any way you can. God bless you. So until I see you on my next one, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.